Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. I haven't vlogged anything so far and it's like 1 o'clock. But I'm gearing to make a really healthy lunch. It's kind of like a lunch meal prep, and so I was going to show you guys a couple of things with that. So basically what I'm making right now is roasted carrots. So I will take the carrots, I'll put them in a container, add salt and pepper and garlic powder, olive oil, shake them up in this container, put them on this baking sheet with some aluminum foil, and then I bake them at 350 for like 30 minutes. And it is so freaking good, and these just turn like really sweet and really good. So that's what I'm gonna do. So this is kind of what they look like after you get done shaking them up. And then I just take them and pour them on here. And then I'll grab something and kind of like, you know, smooth them all out. All right, so that's what they look like. Put them in the oven. And then I do like 30 minutes. Sometimes 35, but 30 is usually good at 350. So the rest of this recipe is basically just taking some turkey burger, browning it, and then you cut up some vegetables. I always use peppers and onions. Obviously you can do whatever you want. A lot of times I will add in like scallions, but I forgot to get those, so I don't have any of those. Hi, kitty. And then you're gonna cook some rice and add it in. So basically at the end, you're gonna mix it all together. Your meat, your veggies, your rice, and the carrots. I just put it in a big container and just scoop out of it like for lunch or whatever. But these are the spices. So we have chili powder, cumin powder, thyme, some salt and pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic powder. But the secret ingredient is cinnamon. I know this is a little weird, but I'm telling you guys, something about cinnamon in this recipe is delicious. It's what makes it, and just trust me on this. It's so good. So anyways, yep, I'm gonna keep making me some lunch, and it's gonna be really good. So for my rice, I have this dish and I just fill it up with water, and then you just submerge it down in here and then put it in the microwave for 10 minutes. carrots are done. Yeah. Ooh. A good idea is to like 15 minutes in, maybe like move them around. I kind of forgot to do that, but yeah, they look real good and smell really good. After I put the onions and peppers and spices, I go ahead and put the lid back on it to kind of help soften up the veggies a little bit. And yeah, just gonna let this finish cooking, and oh, I'm so hungry. It smells so good. All right, so this is the final result. I ended up doing 2 bags of rice. You definitely wouldn't need that much. 1 bag was enough. I just felt like it. So anyways, yeah, I just went ahead and put the carrots in a container, and then when this cools down, I'll put it in the container and eat on that pretty much all week. So good stuff. All right, so I'm just washing my sheets and stuff and putting towels away. Just been doing some chores and trying to get some stuff done. I feel like I've had no time to do anything today. Like, just been doing things around the house and trying to plan stuff out for the rest of the month and stuff. So that's what I've been doing. I'm really sucking at this vlog thing the past 2 days. But when you get busy and you're not used to vlogging, like, it's just kind of, your day just kind of gets away from you and stuff. But anyways, yeah, I have a really cool recipe that I'm making for dinner. So I'm excited to show you guys that. But yeah, that's it for now. Okay guys, so I'm about to make dinner, and I just want to show you guys where I got this recipe from. This is Makeup by Tiffany D. That's her channel name. She's an OG beauty YouTuber, and she does a few cooking videos here and there. But this video is called In the Kitchen Grocery Haul and Making a Favorite Weeknight Recipe. So I watched this the other day, and I thought this sounded really good. It sounded really easy, so I'm trying it. I'll have it linked in the description box of my video, but she has the recipe in the description box of her video. So if you guys want to go check it out, that's the recipe. But yeah, it looks really simple, like just easy recipe. So I'm really excited to try it. I'm going to bring you guys along while I make it. Okay, so in her recipe, it is going to be a little different than mine. She actually used quinoa. I don't have any quinoa. I thought I did, but I don't. So I'm just going to use this Thai jasmine rice. And then I don't have crushed tomatoes. I have diced. It's going to be fine. And then I'm using beef. I don't know if she used beef or turkey. So I'm going to brown the beef, cook the rice, and be right back. All right, got the meat cooking. The rice is done. Have some veggies chopped over here. And I wanted to show you guys, let me cover up my address. So my friend Christian, she's the one, was her kids I gave a shout out to in the video the other day. She sent me a Christmas card. And I think this is like the first thing that's addressed to the Wisemans. So it's pretty cool. Very first piece of mail that has our last name on it. So just a cool moment. But this smells really good. I'm excited for it. I can't remember if I already said this, but the recipe calls for taco seasoning. I have taco seasoning, but I have this fajita seasoning that I've been wanting to use for something. So that's what we're using. It smells so good. I'm really excited. This is taking forever to cook. I am hungry. He's on the phone with his brother, and we're trying to figure out, you know, times for Saturday and who's gonna pick up his poppy, who's like, he's like so old, but he's like the most precious little man in the world. Shelly's calling me.
Hello.
Hello. Are you cooking dinner? Oh, are you drinking? Oh, it's that kind of day. Hi, Nug. Hi, baby.
Come say hi.
Hi.
Come here. Come say hi to Sarah.
She's like, nah, I got this light socket here. I'm trying to stick my fingers in.
Right.
Look at this one.
Telling Sarah the good news. Tell her. Say, I'm coming to see you.
Are you coming to see it, Sarah? Oh.
I'm going to be right there in the middle of your wedding.
Oh, I'm so excited, Nug. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Yay.
So anyways, it took me like 3 hours today to find someone to do my hair, which was super annoying. But I mean, I get it. Like, I mean, it's like a few days notice and it's Christmas, but man, like nobody wants to work on a Saturday. So that was frustrating, but I found a girl at... Huh?
Big days for them.
Yeah, well, that's loud. There we go. Yeah, you'd think, but they didn't want to work on
I would think they would
Saturday.
do a lot of their business Saturdays, probably some Sundays, and that kind of with stuff like that going on.
I know, you'd think so, but nope. But I found a girl at Studio 21 in Ashland to do it, so I kind of hate it being somebody that I don't know, like somebody doesn't know my hair, but oh well. It is what it is.
Well, I can't wait. I'm really excited.
I'm excited too.
I'm going to start doing laundry and packing tomorrow.
You better pack warm because it's cold.
I know. Got to get other stuff together. So.
John is on the phone with Poppy. I think he's like 94. But he is so precious. I think he's going to come Saturday. So, oh, this makes me miss my papaw so much. It really does. But anyways, I stirred in the sour cream. And guys, this looks really good. So I'm going to stir this up and then put it in the baking dish. Top it with some cheese and pop it in the oven. Just popped it in the oven and we're going to bake it for like 15 minutes. So I just got the cilantro pulled off, and I think we're just gonna like put it on top of like our portions on our plate instead of like over the whole casserole, because I don't want it to get like, I don't know, soggy and weird. So I think that's what we're gonna do. I'm just like staring at the timer waiting. So hungry.
Because Missy's house is like beautifully decorated. Like she has, okay, so their couch, they have like these nice recliners.
Guys, this looks so good. Like, I wish smell-o-vision was a thing because this smells amazing. Bon appetit! Okay guys, so the final verdict on the casserole is we liked it. We don't think we'd make it again. It needs like a lot more seasoning. Like, I don't feel like it had a lot of flavor. Like, it smells really good. And I feel like if you're gonna put it on nachos or like eat it like as a dip, that's like the best way. But just to eat it like that, I don't know. I mean, I feel like it's like missing something. So maybe put it like in a burrito with like chicken or something. So, didn't hate it, didn't love it. One of those things. So I'm gonna make some oatmeal chocolate chip cookies for John because he loves oatmeal cookies, and I got these at the store the other day. So I'm gonna make those, and he's doing something with the plant right now. He brought a plant, a jade plant that he brought in from outside, and it has like gnats in it, and so he's gonna rig up something to get rid of the gnats. So yeah. All right guys, so anyone who's ever been in a relationship with an engineer understands these types of things. So this is John rigging up booby traps for gnats. And he's hoping that the gnats will just get caught to the tape and not fly out in the house, right?
They'll walk on it is the hopes. Just desperation play at this point.
Oh. This is a jade plant that his grandmother had in her house, and the family, they've just kind of like broken off pieces and started new plants, and so that's how we have this one. It's gotten really big since we got it. But yeah, I got gnats when it was outside, and it's kind of being a pain in the butt. So this is his plan to fix it.
You want to get close up on how it's done, so if it works, everybody knows how to do it?
No. I got 2 Ulta like magazines in the mail or whatever, and I just love, I don't know, I love looking through these things. This is really honestly why I started my YouTube channel, is because I just love talking about this type of thing, you know, trying it and like giving my opinion. I mean, I'm not an expert, I'm not trained, I'm just a normal person, but I love just makeup and beauty stuff, and yeah. Look at that glitter. Oh, need it. I don't know, this stuff is just so fun. So fun. Want to find like a signature scent. I feel like you go through like phases with perfumes. I love Gucci Premier, it's like my favorite. And light blue, that's like another fave. But I really want to find a new, like, scent. I need to go over there and, like, just smell all of them, and that's pretty. Leave your all's favorite, like, perfume scents in the comments, because I really need a new one. I love, like, sexy scents. I don't like floral or citrus or anything like that. I love very, like, rich and clean and things like that. Yeah, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. That's one of my favorites. Waiting on these cookies. I probably won't even eat them. Oh, they look good. All right, guys, I'm closing out the vlog. We've just sat here and watched Outlander and hung out and kind of have a headache. So probably gonna edit this, watch Outlander, and go to sleep. So come back tomorrow for a Vlogmas day 9. Bye, guys.